We will study graphs for the linear function. Graphs of linear functions. The general equation for the linear functions is given by y equals mx plus b. Here m represents the slope of the line. M represents the slope of the line, and b is the intercept. Intercept is a point on y-axis where the line cuts the axis. The intercept is a point on y-axis. That is the reason we also call it 0b. 0b, this is the point on y-axis where the line cuts the y-axis. Now 4 different forms are there with y equals positive x plus positive b. Say one example of it is y equals 1 times x plus 1. If you look at the graph of this equation, the intercept is 0, 1. Being the intercept 0, 1, this line exists like this. The slope is an acute angle because of the positive value of m, and the slope is 0, 1. So this is the point 0, 1. This is the intercept and this is the m. Similarly, if we discuss the line with y equals, say, positive x minus 1, intercept is negative but the slope is positive. The graph of this equation will be forming an acute angle with x-axis, but the intercept is 1. So if I want to draw a graph of this equation, so let us choose a different color. Okay, the graph of y equals x minus 1, because the intercept is this, so the line will be this. Angle being acute angle made with the x-axis, so it is parallel to the given line, and the intercept is 0, 1, so this point is 0, minus 1. This is the intercept for the given line, and this is how we draw the given line. Similarly, if we want to trace the graph with the negative slope and positive and negative intercept, for the negative slope and positive and negative intercept, suppose we want to trace the graph for y equals negative slope plus the positive and negative intercept. One example of this is, say, minus x plus, say, 1. If I want to plot a graph for this, minus 1 is the slope, which represents it makes obtuse angle with the x-axis, and the slope and the intercept is 0, 1. 0, 1 is the intercept. It makes obtuse angle with the axis, so the graph will be like this. The angle is obtuse because of the negative intercept, negative slope. This is the intercept, that is 0, 1 again. Similarly, if I want to plot a graph for, say, y equals minus x minus 1, the intercept is minus 1 in this case. So to make the intercept as minus 1, 0, minus 1 is the intercept. This is the line corresponding to, say, y equals minus x minus 1. This is the intercept, 0, minus 1. This was the line corresponding to minus x plus 1. This is how we draw different types of lines, and the practical meaning in the form of intercept and slope is given as this.